I will be the greatest jobs president that God ever created. I tell you that. I'm really rich. I'll show you that in a second. A total net worth, and now with the increase, it'll be well over $10 billion. But here, a total net worth of $8 billion. Net worth, not assets, not liability, a net worth. Part of the beauty of me is that I'm very rich. And like a lot of us are really smart. I'm really smart. Went to the Wharton School of Finance. Even then, a long time ago, like the hardest or one of the hardest schools to get in. Do we beat Mexico at the border? They're laughing at us. They're bringing drugs. They're bringing crime. They're rapists. Would build a great wall, and nobody builds walls better than me, believe me. And I'll build them very inexpensively. I will build a great, great wall on our southern border, and I will have Mexico pay for that wall. Yeah. Mark my words. Yeah. They're not sending us their best and their finest. You heard in my speech.
How are you going to get Mexico to pay for a wall?
You have people like we have.
You're
dopes.
calling him an enemy, aren't you?
George, Mexico does not like us. Mexico is not our friend. Mexico is the new China. Mexico will pay, you mark my words. I win, Mexico pays. I like China. I just sold an apartment for $15 million to somebody from China.
Touch with the average American.
I don't need anybody's money. It's nice. I'm really rich.
We problem in this country, it's called Muslims. We know our current president is one. Right. You know he's not even an American.
We need this question.
This man. But anyway, we have training camps growing where they want to kill us. Mm-hmm. That's my question. When can we get rid of it?
We're going to be looking at a lot of different things. And, you know, a lot of people are saying that, and a lot of people are saying that bad things are happening out there. We're going to be looking at that and plenty of other things.